let's solve this together. It says p dot p dot p plus p dot p is equal to 12. Okay. Now these dots here, okay, simply stands for multiplication. Okay. So simply put, this is p multiplied by p multiplied by p plus p multiplied by p is equal to 12. Okay. Now, first thing we can do here is to multiply out this. So p times p is p squared times p is p raised to the power 3 plus p times p, which is p squared as well, is equal to 12. Okay. Now, okay, we can now say, let's factor out p squared from this. So we have p squared multiplied by p plus 1 is equal to 12. Okay. Again, let's by deduction find the answer for p here. So if you put p as 1 here, we have 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is not 12. If you put p as 2, however, we have p squared is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 times 3 is 12. Hence, we can conclude from here that p is equal to 2. Okay? Now, having p to be equal to 2, we can now go back and ask ourselves, looking at this equation here, the highest power of p here is 3. Okay, since the highest power of p here is 3, the number of answers you should have is 3, but we only have one answer. So we should go ahead and find the remaining two answers of this equation. So we have that p cubed plus p squared is equal to 12. Okay, now we can re-express this like p cubed plus p squared minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, now furthermore, we can express this as p cubed plus p squared plus 0p minus 12 is equal to 0. Alright? Now, again, the first answer we got is that p is equal to 2. This is very, very important because we need to divide this. Okay? Since p is equal to 2, since you already have one of the factors for this expression, because p is equal to 2 means that p minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put it like this. So as you can see that this is a factor of this. So we go ahead and divide this equation by, or this expression rather, by p minus 2. Now, p cubed divided by p is p squared. P squared times p is p cubed. P squared times minus 2 is minus 2p squared. When you subtract, you have minus times minus is plus, plus p squared is 3p squared. Okay, plus 0p. 3p squared divided by p is 3p. 3p times p is 3p squared times 2 is minus 6p. Okay, so try again, you have plus 6p. You bring down what? Negative 12. 6p divided by p is 6. 6 times p is 6p. Times minus 2 is minus 12. When you subtract, you have 0. Okay, so we now have that p minus 2 multiplied by p squared plus 3p plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, again, from here, when you have the product of two things to be equal to 0, you have that p squared plus 3p plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, as one of the factors of this. So you have p minus 2 times p squared plus 3p plus 6 being equal to 0. It means that it's either that this one is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, to give us what we had before, which is that p is equal to 2. But if this is equal to 0, we have this equation to solve. Okay, and this is the quadratic equation. However, this quadratic equation is not factorizable. So what do? You simply use the quadratic formula, which says that p here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, all over 2a. So solving this, we now have that our p here will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 6 is 24 times 1 is 24 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. This is now equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of negative 15, okay, divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 15, or sorry, root of 15 multiplied by I, because root of a negative number is I times the root of the number. So this is divided by 2, and this is our p. Okay, So the first answer for P is that P is equal to 2. The second answer for P is that P is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 15i. Okay? Sorry, the second answer is that P is minus 3 plus root of 15i over 2, or minus 3 minus 15i over 2. Okay? So these are the answers to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.